What is up, hated fam, and welcome backward to the channel. Today we've got an install for you coming at us from Core 4x4. I purchased one of their adjustable Panhard bars just to help keep the rear end of the truck a little bit tighter. We're gonna get into that install real soon here. So for those who don't know, there is the super beefy Panhard bar from Core. We'll do a side-by-side comparison with the stock one here shortly. But yeah, I'll leave a list down in the description below of what you're going to need in order to get it installed. But it should be pretty quick, pretty simple. So let's get into it. We'll catch up with you shortly. Alright, so first things first, and that is that we need to get this factory bar off of here. Alright, just like that, factory one is out. Ready to set it up with the new one. Okay, so as you can see, setting up the new traction bar is going to be pretty simple. Or not traction bar, sorry, Panhard bar. Just going to take your two bars, lay that one down. Off here. And then you're just going to lay your bar down and you're going to adjust it so that everything lines up. Alright, so it was pretty much set up from factory already, but now we just made sure that we're actually good to go. Alright, it's time to put this thing back in now, or put the new one in, I guess. Ugh. Well, it's all apart. Wouldn't hurt just to get in here and give it a little bit of a rub down, just to keep everything cleaner and nicer looking. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure that the grease nipple that's on the driver's side is going to be pointing down, otherwise you're not going to be able to access it. That's the only tip that I have. So first things first, put this side in to give you something to rest on. Now these trucks do have this little tabby guy here to help you with tightening them, so you don't have to try and get a wrench back there. But I ordered the grade 10 hardware with these, so I'm going to go ahead and use the hardware that came with my Panhard bar. Go ahead and tighten everything down, and that pretty much wraps it all up. The only thing we got to do left is torque it down and throw the sticker on there. So I'll be back in a moment. Alright, so give the bar a nice wipe down. Just make sure there's no grease on it. We've got our nice Core 4x4 sticker here that we're going to apply. That looks about centered. Put that on there like that, so it looks all nice and pretty. There we go. All right. So the only thing left to do now is torque it down. I set my torque wrench to 100 foot-pounds because that's what I've seen a lot of people do. So that's just what we're going to do is 100. And there you have it. That is our fully installed Core 4x4 Panhard bar. So take a look at that nice handiwork there. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Next we're just going to have to get the upper and lower control arms for the back here. And back end of this thing will be in pretty good shape. And there you have it, hated fam. That is the installation of a Core 4x4 adjustable Panhard bar for your 4th gen Ram. Why did I go adjustable as opposed to the standard since I'm not lifted? Well, you see, I'm a big fan of doing everything once and doing it right the first time. So by doing the adjustable one now, that just means that should we lift the truck or do anything else suspension wise to the truck, that the Panhard bar is already there. It can already be adjusted to do exactly what we need it to do, which was my main reason for spending the extra money and going that route. But that wraps up today's video. Please leave a like, comment, and definitely make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Please make sure you check out Get Truck Supply Company. Use code HATED at checkout and that'll save you a little bit of cash on your purchases. So catch you in the next video. Peace.